shop vac, as you see. The motor is nice and clean. The rollers are clean. Cut in the length. We're going to lubricate the rollers. And with the shop vac, we'll keep blowing and aspirating the length. So it's all pretty good for something that